Oh, look at you! Clicking on a video that promises to improve your IELTS listening skills? You must be really desperate, huh? Or maybe you're just smart? Yeah, let's go with that. Hello, welcome to the second episode of Global Exam Insider, where we are diving into the exciting world of exams like IELTS, TOEFL, GMAT, GRE, SAT and PTE. All those acronyms that leave your head spinning. But fear not, we are here to share the secrets on how to ace these exams and make your study abroad dreams a reality. Today, we are diving into the mysterious, often frustrating world of IELTS listening. Yes, we are talking about that part of the test where you're hanging on to every word, praying that the speaker's accent is one you can understand. But fear not, we've got your back. We're about to reveal the top 8 ways to not just improve but master your IELTS listening skills. And who knows, you might even start enjoying it? So buckle up, grab your notepads and let's get started. And remember, the only bad question is the one you didn't ask. So drop your queries in the comments below and we'll tackle them together in the next video. Ready? Let's dive in. You know the deal. The IELTS listening test is a beast. You have to listen to 4 different recordings and answer 40 questions in 30 minutes. Sounds like Mission Impossible, right? Well, not if you follow these 8 awesome tips that will help you master your IELTS listening skills. Understand the test format. The IELTS listening test has 4 sections, each with unique recordings and questions. Don't get caught off guard by the question types and answer requirements, including spellings and singular or plural. Get familiar with the test format and know what to expect. Use authentic materials for practice. Enhance your listening skills by practicing with materials that mirror the actual test in terms of topics, accents, speed and quality. Simulate test conditions when practicing and keep track of your progress. Expand your vocabulary. A broad vocabulary is crucial for understanding the recordings and answering the questions accurately. Learn common IELTS words and phrases, topic-specific vocabulary and language nuances like synonyms, antonyms and phrases. Enhance your listening skills. The 4th strategy to boost your IELTS listening skills involves honing your listening ability. Predicting. Try anticipating the speaker's next words based on the context and topic. Skimming. Grasp the main idea of the speaker's message without focusing on details. Scanning. Locate specific details in the recording to answer questions. Go through the questions within 30 seconds and mark important keywords. Before each question type, you will be given 30 seconds to go through the questions. Utilize that time by marking or highlighting the important information while skimming through the questions. Check your answers, avoid mistakes, and improve accuracy by checking your answers after each test section and before transferring them to the answer sheets. Pay special attention to spelling, especially for difficult words and those with different British and American English spellings. Listen to various accents. To improve your IELTS listening skills, involve exposure to a range of accents. Accents can influence your comprehension and you may encounter various accents in the test. Practice by listening to different accents, both online and offline. Avoid distractors. In the listening track, you may face a lot of distractors. Try to avoid them by listening to the information completely and carefully. Follow these tips and you'll ace IELTS listening and get a high score. We hope you find this video useful and understand some key aspects of the test. Remember, preparation is the name of the game. If you have any doubts regarding IELTS, feel free to ask us in the comment section. Do subscribe to our channel to catch the latest episodes of Global Exam Insider.